Are you struggling irritable bowel syndrome? Bloating, cramping, and unpredictable digestion can make daily life uncomfortable. But don't worry, there are natural and holistic remedies that can help. In this video, we'll explore the best herbal treatments for IBS and how to manage your symptoms naturally. IBS, or Irritable Bowel Syndrome, affects millions of people, causing bloating, gas, diarrhea, and constipation. While there's no one-size-fits-all cure, many natural remedies can help relieve symptoms and improve gut health. Let's discuss the best herbs and remedies for IBS relief. Peppermint oil is one of the most effective IBS remedies. Peppermint oil helps relax the digestive tract and reduce bloating and cramps. Ginger, known for its soothing properties, can help ease nausea, reduce inflammation, and improve digestion. Chamomile is a gentle herb that calms the gut, reducing spasms, bloating, and irritation. Fennel is great for relieving gas, bloating, and abdominal discomfort. Slippery elm helps soothe the digestive tract and ease IBS-related inflammation. Lifestyle is also important for IBS management. Manage stress. Stress can trigger IBS symptoms. Try meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. Eat mindfully and avoid processed foods. Eat small, balanced meals. Hydration is key, so drink plenty of water to aid digestion. Probiotics and fiber support gut health with probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, and fiber from fruits and vegetables. To wrap up, IBS can be challenging, but with natural remedies and holistic treatments, you can find relief and restore balance to your gut health. Like, share and subscribe for more natural health tips. Visit us at www.naturefirstremedies.com. This video is for informational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Always consult your doctor before trying new treatments for IBS. www.naturefirstremedies.com